How to download and install God of War on PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install God of War on PC or laptop. So to install God of War on PC, you have to first of all install Steam, and only through Steam you could go and access the game. So type on the search box and type in steambar.com. It's going to take you to the official page. In my case, I happen to already install it as well as create my account. So the installation process is very simple. Just press on install Steam from the official page and select the device that you're installing in. Then next page you have to go ahead and run the installation. When you've done that, go ahead and create your account and log in and go to stores. As you do that, it's going to take you to this field here. Go ahead and tap on the search box and look for the game that is God of War. When you locate God of War, then you need to go ahead and double press on it. You need to go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to the click on play game. When you do that, it's gonna ask you to install the game first of all, and when you're done installing it, go ahead and register and you'll be able to access the game. So in this way you could go ahead and download God of War on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.